I'm Goodman with Stratton Vantage Property Management. Whether it's summer or winter, pools are one of those features that can always catch a tenant's eye. They look great in listings, often help homes rent faster, and in some cases bring in higher rents. But if you're a rental property owner or looking to become one, there are a few things you need to know about managing a home with a pool. If you're in the process of acquiring a new investment property, I typically don't recommend choosing one with a pool. While pools can be appealing, the ongoing costs of professional maintenance, equipment repairs, and safety compliance can easily offset the higher rent you might be able to get. In many cases, it's simply not worth the additional risk and expense for owners purchasing their first or next rental. If you already own a rental home with a pool, we can absolutely help you manage it safely and responsibly. Before we will manage an investment property with a pool, we have a couple of requirements that must be met. First is safety. Every home with a pool must have a secure pool fence, even if local code doesn't require it. This protects both your tenants and your liability as the property owner. We won't discriminate against families with small children, and even if your tenants are strong swimmers with no children, that doesn't mean they won't have guests over at some point who do. Second, we require landlords to provide professional pool service. You don't want to leave the pool maintenance up to your tenants. The risk of damage, poor upkeep, and expensive equipment failure is just too high. A professional pool service ensures your investment stays protected and helps avoid preventable problems. At Stratton Vantage, we're not against pools. We just believe in managing them the right way. If you already have a rental with the pool, we'll help mitigate the risk and take care of the details so you don't have to. And if you're in the process of exploring new investments, we're happy to guide you toward properties that maximize return without the added liability. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to our team.